What's up? It's your boy Chef DA, and I'm back with another video. And right now I'm going to show you guys how to make stir fry, but I'm going to make it in an air fryer. I'm addicted to this thing. I don't know what to tell you, but I love it. I've been making stuff in this air fryer almost every other day. It's crazy, but I love it. But I'm just going to show you guys how I make this. I'm just going to basically season up these vegetables real fast. I'm just going to do a light season on them. I'm using broccoli, chanterelle mushrooms, portobellos, zucchini, and yellow squash. And I'm going to use some of those scallions over there too. So these mushrooms as well, I'm gonna do everything the same. I'm gonna kind of like part cook it. I'm not gonna cook it real hard, just like that. That is cooked how I want it, real fast. I'm gonna cook these the same way with just a little bit of bite on it. All of them nice, quick, easy. For the noodles, I'm just gonna make sure those are nice and loose. Then I'm going to use the Thai Kitchen stir-fried noodles. That's the only noodles I can use. I'm going to use the Thai Kitchen fish sauce, gochujang, the mayfly. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's some good sauce, I'll tell you that. And some soy sauce. I'm just going to mix it up right now. Now right here, you're really gonna learn how I cook, because I really don't give out any recipes. Everybody asks me about recipes, and I'm like, man, I ain't got none. I just go with the flow. And I taste everything that I have in my kitchen. I literally put it in my palm, taste it, put it on a spoon, taste it. Because the moment you taste what you have, you kind of know what to balance, what together. So as you're gonna see right here, putting everything together, and then I'm going to need more. And based off of what I was going to be mixing it with, I just needed just a little bit more anyway. These are those beautiful vegetables I cooked in the air fryer. So easy, man. Less dishes, you ain't gotta worry about nothing, trust me. After my protein, I'm just gonna dump in my vegetables, my noodles, then my sauce, and then basically after that, I will be done with this stir fry.